Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean the engine with this Gong foam engine Degreasant. It says here you need to apply and wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and it can be a hot engine, but you need to warm it up. See here it says do not use on hot surfaces or engines, but you need to run the engine, then switch it off so it's nice and warm. So my engine is warm. This is my new car, Volkswagen Polo, 1.2 liter. I bought it because my Touareg has broke down and I will need a car to get around until I fix it. So while I'm here I can clean the engine with this, because I will be selling this car anyway, so I need to sort of look after it a little bit before I drive it. Okay, so let's begin. So now the engine is warm. I've got this jet wash ready, so I'm gonna spray all of this and wait for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna just pressure wash it and we'll see what the result is. So it's just need to shake it well. Okay, let's begin. So places like this and like this, all dirty, and like this, that's where you need to spray in there as well. It always says to cover all your electrical connections and everything, but I never done it. Nothing happened so far. Okay, let's begin with the deeper stuff. Foamy. I just want to clean the engine so it's nice and clean, and it gives the engine a cleaner. Lifts that up, lifts all the dirt up. The engine works cleaner, better. You only need to do it once, you don't need to do it regularly unless your engine is spitting oil. I usually do it when I buy a new car, or like this one, a temporary car, so it's nice and clean underneath. If you have to do anything, or to work on it, just a bit tidier. It's like winter. Electrical components, here I come. It's like painting the car white. It's all hissing and shivering. This old plastic bit is with the air filter, as I just discovered. So I'll probably change that because it costs nothing. I literally bought the car a few days ago because my Touareg broke down for 400 quid. Everything is okay on it. It's just one vacuum pump was falling off. It wasn't working properly, but besides that it's all good. And I think the suspension bangs a little bit, so I'm gonna have to look at it at some point. But other than that, the car is perfect for what it's supposed to be. A replacement temporary car. There we are. I think that'll do. Now I'll wait 10 minutes and I'll pressure wash it and we'll see the results, whether it's worth. I think it's £6 or something. See you after 10 minutes. Okay, so it's now been 10 minutes or something. I will now wash it and we'll regroup after I've done that. And there you go. Just finished washing it, and the engine bay looks like brand new. Everything is sparkling, beautiful. It's well worth. That cam was like £6. You can see everything is beautiful. It's like brand new. It'll look even better when it's all dried. So yeah, well worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll update you on any other videos if I need to do on this car. Thanks, bye.